Ever feel like your to-do list has morphed into a monster, overflowing with tasks and deadlines? You juggle emails, texts, sticky notes, a constant game of whack-a-mole with your workload. If this sounds familiar, you might need a project management tool to wrangle that chaos. There are tons of options out there, with Asana being a popular choice. But is Asana good for project management? Let's dive deep and see if it's the hero you need to slay your productivity dragon. Understanding Asana's core strengths. First things first, what does Asana do? At its heart, Asana is a web-based project management platform. Think of it as a digital command center where you can organize projects, assign tasks, track progress, and collaborate with your team, all under one roof. Asana shines in its user-friendly interface. It's clean, intuitive, and doesn't have a steep learning curve. You can quickly set up projects, break them down into bite-sized tasks, and assign them to team members. Deadlines? No problem. Set due dates for each task, and Asana keeps everyone on track with helpful reminders. Collaboration is another win for Asana. Team members can discuss tasks within the platform, share files, and leave comments. No more endless email threads or hunting down information scattered across different apps. Everything is centralized, fostering transparency and keeping everyone in the loop. Power up your workflow with features. But Asana isn't just a glorified to-do list app. It offers a suite of features to supercharge your project management. Kanban boards. Visualize your workflow with Kanban boards. Tasks move across different stages, e.g. to-do, in progress, done, giving you a clear picture of project progress. Dependencies. Ensure tasks are completed in the right order by setting dependencies. This prevents roadblocks and keeps your project flowing smoothly. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks to save precious time. Set rules to automatically assign tasks, update due dates, or send notifications. Reporting and analytics. Gain valuable insights into your team's performance with insightful reports. See where bottlenecks occur, identify areas for improvement, and celebrate your team's wins with data-driven clarity. Is Asana right for you? Here's the catch. While Asana boasts impressive features, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Here are some things to consider before you jump in. Complexity. Asana excels at managing smaller to medium-sized projects. For highly complex projects with intricate dependencies, there might be a need for a more robust tool. Pricing. Asana offers a free tier with limited features. Upgrading to access the powerful functionalities can get expensive for larger teams. Customization. While Asana is flexible, some users might find it limiting in terms of customization compared to other project management tools. The verdict. Asana's potential to tame your project chaos. So, is Asana good for project management? Here's the answer. It depends. Asana is a fantastic option for teams looking for a user-friendly and collaborative platform to manage their projects. Its intuitive interface, strong features like Kanban boards and automation, and focus on communication make it a valuable asset. However, if you're dealing with highly complex projects or have a large team with specific needs, exploring other project management tools might be worthwhile. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to try it out. Asana offers a free tier, so you can take it for a spin and see if it helps you conquer your project chaos. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.